Want to make your first $100 today? Follow these precise steps. Open expert option and switch to demo mode to practice risk-free. Pick a liquid market like Euro/USD or major blue-chip stocks. Choose a 60-second option and size each stake to protect capital. Identify simple trends with moving averages and clear support or resistance. Enter when price retests support or breaks resistance with confirmed volume. Start with a $100 balance and risk small fixed stakes per trade. Target consistent small wins and increase stake only after confirmed success. Use timers and set alerts and close losing trades quickly to preserve capital. Track every trade in a simple log with entry, exit, result, and quick notes. Once profits reach $100, withdraw or move them to savings to lock gains. Practice and demo, trade responsibly, and tap the link to get started. Closed captions available.